Oh. How's everyone doing today? My name's Ethan. If you're new here, make sure to check out my website, ethanwrenn.com. From there, you can find links to all my various socials. We are currently live on Twitch and YouTube. Make sure to follow if you'd like to stay up to date with all the latest information. We're going to do a quick stream today, cover some really good symbols that I personally like. Hopefully you guys feel the same. If you have any questions, feel free to ask at any time, and I'd be happy to answer. So with that all being said, I think we'll jump right into it. Again, live on Twitch and YouTube. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest information. And yeah, I'd really appreciate it. Okay. So, first company we have to look at today is NDAQ. No, this is not the Nasdaq. This is not QQQ. This is not NQ Futures. This is in fact Nasdaq Incorporated. This is the company that puts forward symbols such as the Nasdaq QQQ that so many people are familiar with. It's not an ETF. It is a company. So let's quickly take a look at their financials here, right? Scroll down here on the right hand side of TradingView, you'll see in 2017 they had a profit margin of 18.47%. In 2018 they had a profit margin of 10.42%. 2019 they had a profit margin of 18.16%. In 2020 they had a profit margin of 16.56% with an increase in revenue. And then in 2021 they had a profit margin of 20.17%, highest of the past 5 years. So you can see the profit margin is growing over time as well as the revenue. Can you guys hear that rain outside? Maybe I should close that window real quick. One sec. Okay, and we are right back. So, again, this is NDAQ. Let's quickly look at their technicals now, right? As you can see, this company, ever since its conception, has shown phenomenal growth. From its IPO, it's only been up, right? From IPO price to their all-time high, that's 1,400%. Very profitable. Doesn't show signs of decay or diminishing over time. Now, over this time span, let's say specifically post 2008, right? So right in that 2010 area. As you can see, the weekly, always keep in mind our time frames. You can tell with the time frames based on this symbol right here next to the actual ticker. We are using the weekly. As you can see, ever since 2010, the weekly 180 moving average really has been used as a support. As you can see here and 2018, 2020. But not only that, you can also see the weekly 20 almost gets used as a support more than the 180 here, which is something you see often across a variety of symbols. But we're just trying to demonstrate the type of behavior that these companies have in regards to these indicators. So why does that matter? Well, as you can see, over the past 6 months, this is November 2021, they hit their all-time high of $71. And then here in May to June area, they have come down to touch that 180 weekly moving average, right? And since then, I've seen this huge growth. From that May 16th time, they have gained about 37%, pulling back a little bit. Again, nothing moves in a straight line. But they are still up about 20%, right? And their current price point, look at that current price point. How picture perfect is that? I had a video playing on another monitor, making sure it wasn't coming through the stream. So it's currently up 20%, right? As you can see, this light blue cyan line, as we said, represents the weekly 20 moving average. What a coincidence that the price went up, came down, and is now testing that weekly 20 moving average as a support moving forward, right? And as we just showed you, for the past 20 years, this weekly 20 has proven to be a reputable support over time. As you can see, are my lines looking weird on stream? Interesting. My OBS panel makes it look a little weird, but the 20 weekly acts as a support. It is highly uncoincidental. You can call it anything but a coincidence that this company found support on that weekly 180 moving average, ran up huge, and is now trying to reclaim that weekly 20 moving average as a support. We like to see this. Typically, you would want to recognize this as the support, and you would put a buy right in there on that weekly 20, and then you would proceed to see a bounce, runs up here, touch that new all-time high, maybe test that weekly 20 again, and then push for that actually setting of the new all-time high. Very solid company. NDAQ also offers a dividend. The dividend for this company is 1.41%, so relatively good. If you compare it to like a US index, you're getting maybe 0.6 to 1.3 across the Dow, S&P. Still, if we're looking at an individual company, which we are here, we do like to see that U.S. national average of like 3%, give or take, so it's below the U.S. national average, but we're happy to see it there nonetheless. Some companies don't even offer a dividend, right? What else we got? I think that's going to cover this symbol for now. Analyst rating, buy. Again, very strong company. We'll run into the next one here, though. Again, if you guys are new here, my name is Ethan Wrenn. Make sure to check out my website, ethanwrenn.com. From there, you can find links to all my various socials. We're currently live on YouTube and Twitch. Make sure to sub if you'd like to stay up to date with all the latest information. Follow on Twitch, all that. We also have a Discord. In the Discord, I'm basically available 24/7, 7 days a week. Discord, available 24/7, 7 days a week. We have a lot of great resources in there. It's all free. We'll never ask you for a penny. Make sure to check that out. We got channels for everything from bullish investments, bearish investments, news alerts from all your favorite media outlets, market alerts. So make sure to check that out. Again, you can join that at my website, ethanwrenn.com. Let's do the next symbol here real quick.